Morning guys, Peace Productions. We're going to have a look at removing the anti-tamper screws from the 2250. The 2240s don't have them, so you're quite lucky, but the 2250 do. I don't know if you can see, hang on, I'll shift this, but them screws are pretty standardised. You know, they're designed to go in and not come out. How I do it is I use a punch, but it's quite a rounded off sharp edge, so there's no points on it or nothing. It's just a completely square edge, and I don't use a hammer, I just use a brass drift. Actually maybe copper, probably copper. Anyway, right on the edge, on it goes. Gently tap it around, and there we go. Screw number one out, just like that. That's how easy it is. No damage and very little damage to the screw, but they'll be going in the bin anyway, so just ignore them. And when you flip the gun over this side, because you took the tension off, should be just as easy. Hang on, I'll just reposition that. There we go. Same again, I don't know if you can see that. That should just, I'll try and get it so it's there. There we go, she's away. And that is how I remove the anti-tampers. What you'll find is, if you use a very square clean edge, because it digs into the screw and out it comes. And gentlemen, that's how clean it comes out. Thanks, hope it helps. Cheers.